Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. So I have a ton of stuff out because I'm gonna make a bunch of stuff. This is a collaboration video and it's one of my favorite videos ever for the month. There's a theme every month, and so a bunch of us get together and we make a video on that theme. So this month, for the month of August, it is tailgate theme. So some tailgate appetizers and some dishes, or these are really great for like picnics or get-togethers also. So I wanted to do some things that could be served cold, because when you're out tailgating and you're out picnicking or barbecuing, you don't always have access to heat things up. So I wanted to do some stuff to eat cold, and these are like all my favorites. So I wanted to share this with you for this video. So for this collaboration, there's going to be a playlist, and I will link the playlist in the description box. And this is hosted by my super sweet friends, Melissa and Kristy. They are so wonderful in hosting this every month. I really look forward to making these monthly collaboration videos. So I'm going to link Kristy and Melissa's channels in my description box. So make sure you check them out. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. A lot of my recipes are keto friendly, so I'm keeping everything low carb today in these dishes. So I'm going to make some pinwheels with my favorite tortillas. These are the whole wheat carb balance, so 5 carbs per tortilla for these. And then I am going to add in cheddar cheese, sliced turkey, some spinach, and ranch. And these are so easy and really delicious to just grab and eat. I'm gonna do a side of watermelon. My kids are obsessed with watermelon this summer, so thought that I could slice this up, dice it up, and add this into the rest of these foods. And then I'm going to do a keto broccoli salad. So I have my broccoli, some red onion. I add dried cranberries into my broccoli salad, and I'm going to be using a monk fruit sweetener instead of sugar to keep it on the keto side. I have some mayonnaise, sunflower seeds. I have some bacon also that I'm going to add into that. So I'm going to get all this all prepped, ready to go. Don't even have to cook anything, so which is definitely my favorite. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you check out the playlist that's in the description box and see what everybody else is up to for tailgating recipes. I know they're all gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna get all this made up. All right, so these dishes are ready for any kind of tailgating party, any kind of like barbecue party or picnic. Super fun and easy, healthy. If you guys have been around my channel, you know I love very simple recipes. So these are just that and so delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you're having a really great summer. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And don't forget, like I said at the beginning, to check out the playlist in the description box. I am so excited to see what everybody is cooking up for their tailgate appetizers. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.